Hey everybody, Kevin Falvey, Editor-in-Chief of Boating Magazine. Today I'm going to show you how to upgrade the courtesy lights in your boat to LEDs. LED lighting is more durable, uses less electricity, and lasts way longer than incandescent lights. This is an easy job and you can do it. Let's go. First thing I did was lay out all my parts. I was able to get these parts from SierraParts.com. The nice thing about parts from SierraParts.com is that they come with a lifetime warranty. Having everything laid out and organized before I begin saves a lot of trips back and forth from the garage or the shed to the boat. When working on the electrical system, disconnect the batteries. You can simply turn the battery switch off or remove the ground cable on the battery. This prevents a short circuit and potentially damaged equipment. A pair of LEDs like these molars will be just a ticket to light up my bow for nighttime fishing and boating. Now be advised, when you select LED lights compared to incandescent lights, they're much brighter for the same amperage. Because of this, you don't want to select an LED with the same wattage as your incandescent. It will be too bright generally. As a rule of thumb, divide your incandescent wattage by 8 to 10 to estimate the LED light output that you'd like. Super bright sounds good, but in practice, just right amount of light is, well, just right. First up, remove the old fixture. Look for corrosion, check the wire with a meter. This Sierra model is a great example. Next, rerun new marine grade wire if needed. This wire is good, so we're gonna move on. This installation calls for surface mount. If the light you are replacing is flush mounted, make sure it will fit in the hole. This is also a good reason to meter the wire, since you can't visually inspect it like you can a surface mount fixture. Check the fit and drill any holes before wiring the fixture. It's easier to make wire connections this way since you'll know exactly where they will end up. Crimp your connections with a hand crimper. I'm using one from Sierra. Be sure to get the polarity right when connecting to your new LED lights. Blue wire is positive or hot for lights per the ABYC color code. Blue boat wire goes to the red light wire. Connect black to black. Now know that your boat may have been rewired since you've got it and may not have a blue wire, but blue is the official wire for courtesy lights. Note the excess wire I've left to create a quote-unquote service loop. This is left in the wire to ease any future repairs. Since I have a plywood core deck, I'm going to apply some sealant. So just one more thing before we move on. Depending on your situation, you want to make sure you seal the electrical connections. You can do that a number of ways. You can use liquid electric tape. You could use shrink connectors like we did and a heat gun. You can also use a small little blowtorch to heat the heat shrink connectors. You could use shrink tubing over conventional butt connectors, but you want to prevent corrosion and you want to cover those connections. Also, you certainly want to caulk the fixture to keep moisture away. Finally, change the fuse to match the new amperage and turn on your new lights. For more bright ideas about boat improvement, view our Ask the Experts series brought to you by Sierra Marine. And until next time, I'm Kevin Falvey.